Oh, he's not a bad fish. Actually, he's a pretty dang nice trout. You know what? I believe that's a little redfish. Oh yeah, good trout. Well, good morning, guys and gals. We are on day 2 of our fishing weekend, and today we're changing it up a little bit. My father-in-law is in town, and he has brought down with him his brand new Solo Skiff. So today, I'll be in the kayak, he'll be in the Solo Skiff, and I think he's gonna tow me around in it, so that'll be kind of nice. I don't have to worry about paddling, especially if the wind picks up today. We're gonna go back to the same place that I was at yesterday and see if we can hook into some more of those decent trout and redfish. So stick around, ought to be a good day. Is he scrapping? Woo! Cool. That was first, what, 10 minutes?
Yeah.
All right, we're hooked up to a good one. Redfish. Ooh, he's just barely hooked. Ooh. Let's see if I can get him in the boat. Got him. Well, that's a good way to start the morning. Let's see what he measures. He might be a keeper. All right, right at 20. I'm using a couple different colors of the down south lures this morning. I picked up a color called Color X, and that's what I'm throwing right now. It's this guy here. And then I picked up another one called Blue Moon, and it's a real light blue color with a chartreuse tail. I figured the light color would have the same effect as that bone diamond I've been throwing, except that chartreuse tail might catch a little more attention. Got him? Yeah. Woohoo! That sounds like a cannon. There he is. Got him. Good trout. Oh, he came off.
What was it?
It was a good trout. Dang it. Well, that skiff looks cool.
Huh?
It looks cool. Yeah, it does.
I was wondering about that, if I look like a goober or not.
No, it looks good.
You can paddle pretty fast.
See ya. There he is. He's swimming towards me. He might keep. Oh yeah, it's 16 inches. He'll keep. All right, so far I think my father-in-law has caught 5 fish. I think he's caught 4 trout and red, and I've caught 3. 1 red, 2 trout. Only one of the trout so far that I've caught has been a keeper, but I think he's got 1, maybe 2 keepers on the stringer. So we're keeping fish this morning because they're going to take it home. It's been pretty good. It's been slow but consistent, I could say. We're catching fish, but not just huge numbers of fish. But we're going to keep at it. There we go. Decent little trout. Got a 1/4 inch too short. So we'll let him go. I think that's the first one I've caught on this blue moon color. And here's what it looks like. So it's still that real light color with that flash in there, but it's got the chartreuse tail. I don't know, seemed like a good option to me. Well, we've hit that afternoon lull. I haven't had a bite in probably an hour. We're fishing what looks like a really good area. We've probably got about 2.5 feet of water depth. It's a big sand flat with pockets of grass here and there. But I think it's just mid-afternoon lull. It's probably about 12 o'clock now. The sun's getting high in the sky. The wind has died down. There's just not a lot of anything going on.
You've been dancing. I've been watching. Like a feather, you never touch the ground.
This area right here is a perfect example of why I like kayak fishing so much. So this is a big sand and grass flat that is about a foot deep, maybe 18 inches. Well, there are no boats up on this flat because it's too shallow for them to run, but it's plenty for me, and at times the redfish love areas like this.
I don't need anybody, I'm fine here on my own, but if I needed somebody, it'd be you. I'd call my own. I don't need anybody, I'm fine here on my own, but if I needed somebody, it'd be you. I'd call my own.
Well, folks, that's it for fishing this weekend. We're headed back to the house now and gonna get the kayak and solo skiff all rinsed off and put away. Turned out to be a pretty good weekend. The weather was great. It was one of those weekends where the weather was maybe a little too good for fishing. It was low winds and glassy, clear water, so it made for some tough fishing, but I think all things considered, we did pretty well. As always, if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to click subscribe below and maybe even give it a like. I put out new videos every Tuesday. We will see y'all next time.